Ants showing up around your house usually means there's some kind of moisture problem they're taking advantage of, like leaks or damp spots you might not even notice. So, first, find any leaks under sinks, around pipes, or near windows and fix them as soon as possible, because ants love hanging out where it's wet. Next, keep an eye on those damp spots in your basement or bathroom, and use a dehumidifier if things get too muggy. You can also sprinkle desiccant powders, like diatomaceous earth, around entry points and problem areas to dry things out and stop ants from feeling comfy. Make sure to seal cracks and gaps in your walls and foundation, because ants can squeeze through the tiniest holes. Take out trash regularly and keep food sealed tight so you're not giving ants a free snack. Yard maintenance helps too. Trim plants away from your house and keep mulch away from the foundation to cut down on moisture buildup right outside. Lastly, clean up spills and wet spots on floors fast because ants have a crazy good sense of smell and will sniff out any water. Doing these little things makes a huge difference in keeping ants from setting up shop in your home. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ants attracted to moisture areas is ignoring small leaks or damp spots, which just invites more ants in. Fix those leaks quickly to shut down their water source. Another common issue is not sealing entry points properly. Even tiny cracks can be highways for ants, so use caulk or weather stripping to block them off. The third mistake is relying only on sprays or baits without addressing moisture problems. That's like putting a bandage on a bigger issue. Combine moisture control with treatments for the best results. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for anyone trying to handle home repairs like ant control because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to tackle these problems. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to find work from people who need your skills and want reliable help fast.